Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about check constraint in Oracle database. So at here I'm using Toad for Oracle and currently I'm using the schema escort. So let's see the example of check constraint. So at here first I'm going to create the table. So create or table and here giving the name Adam. Now here after let's select ID. So this should be integer type and here after giving this one primary key. So ID is the primary key. Now here after let's use name. So name at here it should be varchar and here setting the size 55 and here after so this should be not null. Now here after let's use at here age. So age should be integer tab and here I'm going to use check. To use check constant we have to use check keyword. So check and here age. So age greater than equal to 18. So at here I used check so that here it's a check constant. And here in check you have to give any condition to filter the record. So at here I have given age greater than equal to 18. So if this condition is satisfied, then the value will insert. So let's create the table first. So at here table created. Now here after let's see the records inside table. So at here select a star from Adam. So initially there are no any records, but at here ID name as columns created. Now here after refresh that and here after the table is Adam. Here after go to describe and if you want to see the constant, so at here the first is ID. So ID is the primary key constant here. Now the next I've given constant on age. So see at here age sys underscore. So this is the system created constant name and here age greater than 18. Here type is check. Now here after let's insert the record inside our table Adam. Now insert into Adam and here passing ID. Next is name and here after age. So ID, name, age and here let's give the values keyword. So I'm giving the value first for 111. So this is the integer. Next is name. So giving the name at here max and here let's enter the age. So age giving at 33. Now if you execute this query, so at here one row inserted. See the records? So at here triple one max inserted. So now here ID is the primary key. So let's give unique value. And here when I'm going to enter at here the value 13. And if you execute here, so I'm getting the error message check constant violation. That means in check constant I've given the condition is greater than equal to 18 and here 13 greater than equal to 18, so this condition is not satisfied, so that here records not going to insert. So this is the things check constant. So here you can give some restriction. If the restriction is if the condition is true, then that will go for insert the record. If the condition is not true, so this will not insert the record. So this is the one thing. Now here after let's create a check constant on multiple conditions. So at here going to create the table Adam 1 or here no need to change anything. ID, name and here let's create one column file and this should be integer type here. Now it int and here after check constant. So let's use at a AND operator and your salary should be greater than So salary column, salary should be greater than 5,000. Now if you execute this query, so see right here I'm getting the error message. Okay, here I so in Oracle we have to use A and B, not to symbol. So let's execute that. So again I'm getting the error message column check constant cannot refer to the columns. Uh, okay, check and here let's give comma. So it is CIT or table created. Now here select start from Adam 1. So CIT or ID name Sal as. Now here after let's copy that and paste it down and insert into Adam 1. Adam 1 ID name here after Sal here after age. Now here ID name here Sal. So giving at here the Sal and here the age is 35. So if you insert this, so here item 1 ID name and here Sal age. So see at here when I'm trying to enter the salary, so 1345. So at here check 1345 greater than 5000. So this condition is false. And here 45 greater than 18. So this condition is true. So if you are using AND operator, if any condition false, so overall false. So at here true and false, the value comes false. So that here it's not inserting the record. Now if you give at here 6 3 4 5 and if you try to enter so this will insert the record. See at here records inserted. So at here record inserted. So at here I've given the restriction at this point by using check keyword. So first that check is greater than 18, so this condition is true, and your salary greater than 5000. So if this condition is true, then that will insert the record. So this is the condition. So sometimes what happen in voter ID, the age should be greater than 18. So at your if anybody's age is less than 18, so this not suitable for voting. So that there if you're creating this kind of table, so there you can give the check constant, so age should be greater than 18. And here after if you wanna see the item 1 description, so constraint here the first is id, so this is the primary key, and here I created the constant on age. So see at age, so this is the constant name age greater than 18 and sal greater than 5000. So these the things. Now here after if you want to drop if you want to delete the constraint, so for this we have to use add here alter keyword. So let's use add here alter or table. So I'm going to alter the table Adam 1. Now here after let's use drop constraint and here give the constraint name. So this is the constraint name. So add here SYS. After underscore C or 0018 984. Now if you execute this query, so see here table altered. Now here after refresh and here after let's see at here describe. So constant. So it will show the constant on ID. So ID is the primary key. So this is the constant. Now the here check constant that altered. Now if you want to enter any kind of record, so you can do that. So let's enter at here 1 3 4 5 salary and here ID must be unique. So execute that. So see at one row inserted. So there are no any or constant so that here you can insert any kind of rows. So this is the check constant. So if you give any condition on check constants according to requirement, according to or satisfied condition, the record will insert. If the record or condition not to satisfied, then record won't insert. So I hope guys you understand the use of check constant in Oracle database. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next to it. Thank you.